Oh, yeah. Hello guys, welcome to the last live stream offload of the day, or the last part of today's live stream offload. This right here is the 2021 Toyota 4Runner, about to be driven down the road. As you can see, the day has been a good day. All the cars run and drive. (2021) Toyota 4Runner. So guys, all the cars run and drive, but we're unable to put this into drive. But I believe it should also run and drive because the impact, I think the impact on this guy is just minor. So just because of the timing. And this last live stream offload took quite a bit of time for us to, it took us quite a bit of time for us to bring this guy out, because we just got paid a visit by Nigerian Customs Service, and there happened to be a little bit of fracas, and we have resolved the issue. Now my question still remains that I still always ask, that why do these guys, these custom guys, still, patrol like pesky mosquitoes even after they've been sorted out, even after duties have been paid? They still move around. Yesterday they also came to pay us a visit at the yard, requesting for papers of cars in the yard, and also papers of some items that were there, which we provided for them, and they left. Today a totally different set of customs came, and it turned out that everything was done right. They did not just, a set of the customs did not just report the item, report effectively to the office. So that was how they were now. That was how, and one of the reasons why we wasted time trying to contact their boss. One of their boss had to come here to resolve the issue for them to leave us alone. If not, because a couple of days ago, some custom officials, they came here, and our neighbor that usually offloads cosmetics and some other things, 2 of our containers came in, and they actually towed this lady's containers. The 2 containers, they towed the 2 trucks to their office for reasons still unknown. So my question, and I stand to be corrected, my question still remains that why are these custom guys, after going through all the custom processes at the port, after paying all the money we pay 30 million, 40 million, 50 million for custom duties, after doing all these things, booking FOU, doing this, doing that, these guys still move around to still try to task. Is it that there is a level of trust issues inside or within the customs system? I stand to be corrected, and I stand to be educated in this matter. If my questions are invalid, I stand to be educated. Yeah, so, well, in the coming days, we are going to try to find out and see what, the reason happens to be. And I believe I'll communicate with the prof, and he's going to throw more light on this issue. He's going to throw more light on this issue, because at some point we almost went physical here. So I'm going to communicate with Prof. He will throw more light to you guys on this issue. I'm usually on the part of making very short videos, very brief videos. The Prof knows how to make longer, detailed videos and explanations. So he's going to throw more light and gist with you guys on this matter. So for me, and for now, I'll be signing out for the day. And this right here This 2021 Toyota 4Runner happens to be the last car that was rolled out around. Exactly. Now someone is saying that custom doesn't have the right to go into someone's business. You see the issue we're having. Like yesterday, we did not conduct any offload yesterday. They just appeared. A certain set of customs appeared with their hillocks. They were like almost 10 in number, you know, clustered in the hillocks, both inside, outside, even hanging. Clustered, and they came and was asking for papers of cars that have been cleared for months and weeks, asking for papers of items around, of which we had the correct documentation, and I provided the documentation for them. He checked the documentation and saw that there was no fault, and I asked him, are you happy with what you're seeing? He did not want to say, oh yes, he's happy with what he's seeing and everything looks good, because Nigerians are not trained to do like that. Nigerians, I don't know where they come from. But if it is in the US, if everything looks good, they're going to tell you this looks good and you're good to go. And they would even apologize for the inconvenience and for the time that they've spent you, and for your time that has been wasted. But he said, then I asked him, does it look good? He refused to say anything. Rather, he said, oh, he can only check for minor faults. I asked him, are there minor mistakes or faults in that paper you are with? He said, no, he has not seen any. And I said, if you want to confirm, I thought you guys usually have some form of probably laptop or terminal or computer system inside your vehicle where you can punch in some numbers and be able to pull out whatever information or do whatever confirmation that you want to do. I thought you guys have that kind of facility. He said, no, we don't have that here, but he's going to go inside their van, or their hillocks rather, to speak with his boss. I said, okay, no problem, fine, go speak with your boss. He went in. After like about 10 or 15 seconds, he came out, gave me the paper and told me, okay, that they are going, that they'll be back. And I know for sure that customs, if they find you wanting in the slightest of things, they can never let you go for free. You must drop something. Even the slightest of things at all, you must drop something. They call officer on duty, you must drop. But yesterday I was not smiling. I was not even in the mood to drop any officer on duty, anything. So I don't know. This my complaint of customs moving around and going into people's businesses after the container has been cleared, after it has been brought out of the port, and even during offload, still come on, man, like what is going on? What's going on in the custom systems? What is going on? Custom is supposed to be a unified body. They are supposed to be a unified body, and I believe all their data are online and they should be easily accessible by every one of them. So I still don't know. I still don't know why and if they even have the rights to. And like I said, I still stand to be educated and I stand to be corrected. Honestly, it pains me. After paying as much as 50 million, 60 million for custom duty, these guys will still come and start trying to come, like the faults that they are wanting to look for here. Like, is it that they did not try to look for those same faults at the port while the container was in the process of the custom clearance? Like, what is the idea? What is the idea? What is the idea? Imagine we had to call one of their boss at Apapa. He had to drive down here to meet with these guys before they had to let us go. If not, they've already started making calls that they want to. They already started threatening that they will tow the truck. Of which we can't let that. We've been in this business for donkey years. We've gone through so many hurdles, obstacles, and challenges. We've learned a lot over the years, and we've learned that it is cheaper to do things the right way. If you try to cut corners, at the long run, those corners will cut you, because it's cheaper to do things the right way. Pay the amount of money you're supposed to pay. Try not to cut corners, so that when matters like this arise, you can stand your ground with your rights and you won't be into any trouble. So this is something that we've learned over the years, and we've been working with that. That is why we're able to easily solve this matter here today. So guys, like I said, I'll speak with Prof. There are some other details I would have wanted to share here, but I do not know for sure if I should. So I'll speak to him, I'll tell him about everything, and it will be in his discretion whether to share them here or not. I'll let him make the decision whether to share them here or not. So guys, thank you all for always tuning in. We really appreciate you. We really appreciate your business as always. Do have a wonderful day. This is Clinton from Denso Autos signing out. Thank you.